Have you ever felt broken? As if life's challenges, losses, and failures have shattered you beyond repair? What if I told you that, in Japan, there's an ancient art that not only embraces brokenness but transforms it into something even more beautiful? This is the philosophy of Kintsugi, an art form that teaches us resilience, acceptance, and the beauty of imperfection. Today, let's explore the history, meaning, and powerful life lessons of Kintsugi, and how you can apply them to your own journey. Kintsugi, which translates to golden joinery, is a 400-year-old Japanese technique of repairing broken pottery. Using lacquer mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. Instead of hiding the cracks, Kintsugi highlights them, turning the once broken object into a stunning masterpiece. But Kintsugi is more than just an art form, it's a philosophy, deeply rooted in wabi-sabi, the Japanese worldview that finds beauty in imperfection and transience. Rather than seeing flaws as something to be ashamed of, Kintsugi teaches us to honor them as part of our unique journey. Just like Kintsugi, our cracks make us who we are, stronger, more beautiful, and filled with stories worth telling. At first glance, a broken bowl might seem useless, destined to be discarded. But in the hands of a Kintsugi artist, that same bowl becomes even more valuable than before. Each golden vein tells a story of resilience, transformation, and healing. Just like pottery, we, too, experience cracks in life, whether it's heartbreak, failure, or loss. But what if, instead of hiding these scars, we embrace them as part of our personal growth? Kintsugi teaches us that our struggles don't diminish our worth. In fact, they make us even more valuable. Like Kintsugi, we are not broken, we are beautifully transformed. Kintsugi is a slow, delicate process. First, the pieces must be carefully cleaned. Then, a special lacquer is applied to hold the fragments together. After that, the lacquer is left to dry, sometimes for weeks, before gold powder is finally added. In the same way, emotional healing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to process pain, to rebuild after loss, and to find strength again. Be patient with yourself. Every step of your healing journey is valuable, no matter how small. Like Kintsugi, our scars don't define us, they make us more beautiful, more resilient, and more whole. No two Kintsugi repairs look the same. The cracks form unique patterns, making each piece one of a kind. The same is true for people. Our experiences, both joyful and painful, shape who we are. Instead of feeling ashamed of our past mistakes or hardships, we should recognize them as part of our story. The things we go through don't make us weaker, they make us more authentic, more compassionate, and more human. Like Kintsugi, we are not broken, we are beautifully whole, shaped by our experiences. In today's world, perfection is often seen as the ultimate goal. We're constantly pressured to appear flawless, whether in our careers, relationships, or even on social media. But Kintsugi reminds us that perfection is an illusion. The most beautiful things in life carry history, character, and imperfections. Rather than striving to be perfect, embrace the real, raw, and beautifully imperfect version of yourself. Our imperfections make us who we are. They tell our stories, shape our growth, and add to our beauty. Just like Kintsugi, your flaws don't diminish your worth, they make you even more beautiful. So how can we practice Kintsugi in our daily lives? Every challenge, heartbreak, or failure has shaped you into who you are today. Instead of hiding your experiences, acknowledge them as valuable lessons. Just as a broken bowl is handled with care during the Kintsugi process, treat yourself with kindness as you heal. Use your struggles to inspire, help, or connect with others. The most powerful stories often come from people who have embraced their own brokenness and used it to create something meaningful. Like Kintsugi, we are not broken, we are beautifully repaired, stronger, and more valuable because of our journey. By embracing your past, practicing self-compassion, and turning pain into purpose, you create something stronger, something beautiful, just like Kintsugi. History is full of people who turned their hardships into strength. Take Thomas Edison, who failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Or Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a painful childhood to become one of the most influential women in the world. They didn't let their cracks define them as broken, they used them as stepping stones to greatness. What if you did the same? Your hardships don't define you. How you rise from them does. Kintsugi teaches us one of life's most profound lessons. Brokenness is not the end, it's a new beginning. The gold and the cracks represents your resilience, your strength, and your story. So the next time you face adversity, remember this. You are not broken. You are beautifully mended. Like Kintsugi, your scars tell a story of growth, resilience, and beauty. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on life lessons, philosophy, and personal growth. And remember, the cracks in your story don't make you weaker, they make you extraordinary.